know. What's good, you two, man? It's your boy, man, you know what I'm saying?
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Don't even start talking. Don't.
ATL,
Stop talking,
wings, you
nigga.
know what I'm saying? Smack. Got my brother Kenny, you know what I'm saying?
Kenny in the cut with his fat head, boy. His fat head. Boy, sit down. Sit your big head down, boy.
What's that? What is it? It's some donuts, Kenny. It's a, sweet biscuit. Sweet biscuits. You ain't no biscuit, you ain't some more. Right here. Got some Parmesan chicken, boneless wings. Got that 7-piece. Watch out. Alright, up. This ain't even mine, but shoot. It's looking mighty scrumptious. Oh, okay. What's that boneless? Oh, that's the chicken and there's some fries with some boneless wings. In a basket. All from ATL Wings, man. What's this? Oh, that's the baked beans.
Oh, we got showcase. I got showcase.
We got pork beans. Don't spill it. There you go.
No, this is
What is that, kid?
pork beans.
Pork and beans? Pork and beans? Beans with bacon. We got some pork and beans.
That's beans with bacon.
Some bacon. And then right here we got some, what is this? Traditional, what you get? The traditional bones? Some, honey barbecue. Yep. It got bones in this one. These bone in. Yep. Okay. Alright, man, we're gonna start eating, you know what I'm saying? Oh, got your ranch. Oh, this is my blue cheese, boy. Dippers. Oh, you eat blue cheese? Good for you.
Gotta open the sauce up.
The dippers. Alright, look. Alright.
Not ready.
See how this tastes, Kenny? You ain't not ready. You better start eating, boy. Right. Ready for what? It's a mukbang, dude. How you gonna sit here and not eat? Ready. Right. Eat. That's the Parmesan wing? Garlic Parmesan. You know, all this food over here, I'm gonna sample everything. Right. I don't know who or what. I don't know, it was a hectic ride home. Oh, it's nice. Oh, we got something. What? Kool-Aid. Oh, man. That's what we went for originally. Right. Last time we got the blue and the tropical and the blueberry Kool-Aid. Come on, restaurant. What restaurant got Kool-Aid? What restaurant got Kool-Aid, man? Let me find out.
Bro, I know y'all wondering why I'm sipping on that Kool-Aid so much, bro. That Kool-Aid was so good, bro. It don't make no dang on sense. That stuff is so good. Man, keep watching, bro.
Got some honey. Got the biscuit. Well, you can see the honey on that mug. Look, fire. Let me find this. You double dipping. Boy, you double dipping, boy?
Everybody know not to double dip, bro. Don't double dip when you at the table with me, bro. You get kicked out. No.
Just drop half this stuff in there. What type of wing is this? not sure.
Oh, this one I ordered.
This one you ordered. Tell me.
I don't know. I just seen so many I like. I want you.
Yeah,
Oh,
order.
honey barbecue. Honey
Right,
barbecue.
I just said that in the comment. I didn't even know what it was. I just guessed.
Honey barbecue, and that was
It looked like some honey barbecue.
what? Is that what she ordered? And this the Parmesan boneless
You can
with fries. Hmm.
Coronavirus got us in the house, you know what I'm saying? Make no dang on sense. Just forcing it.
Rona. Oh. Yep. Wait a minute.
Got some fries. What? Oh, what?
Seasoned fries.
Seasoned fries.
And what type of chicken is there on top?
I don't know.
Uncle Kenny ordered.
I don't know, Kenny. What you order? What did you order, Kenny?
Fries.
And what?
What type of chicken?
Bro, this man didn't even know what he was ordering, bro. Like, what's going on, bro?
Huh?
Like,
Like
dude.
a pulled chicken something.
You got spicy chicken and what? Spicy fries? I'm like spicy too.
It's a flavor.
They got
Lemon
bones
pepper.
in them?
Lemon pepper. No. Lemon pepper. Are you lemon pepper?
That's fire. Oh my
Bruh,
God.
that stuff was so hot, bro. Like, that stuff was spicy to the mud, bro. I couldn't even handle it, bro. Like, what's going on? Like, dude.
Golly.
Oh, I know I didn't do the thing. What?
Y'all ain't know we got the mother in the cut, you know what I'm saying?
Bruh.
Mama Maybell, you know what I'm saying?
Mama Maybell was in the cut, bro. And she didn't even want to get in the camera, bro. Like, that stuff pissed me off. Like, she said, I ain't trying to be here to be cute. Bro, get in the camera. Come on.
I'm gonna say hey later. I want something good and full.
Alright. So, I ain't tried this yet. I'm about to try that.
Honey barbecue.
Honey barbecue. Mm.
It's fried, just right. Ain't no
Man.
second guessing if it's done. I'm guessing if it's
Fried it, dipped
Bro,
it in
why is you looking at the chicken like that, bro? You fat in a mug, bro.
good. Perfect.
Probably nobody else. Nobody else.
You can come on like else. I'm not eating.
I'm happy that it's quiet.
How your food taste, Kenny?
You didn't say nothing else. Good.
Boy. Boy,
Bro,
boy.
look at my face expression, bro. Like, this chicken was getting too iffy, bro. I was not folding. I was like, what? It's tasting weird, bro. Ugh.
What? You don't like your chicken fried?
It's just the seasoning part.
I'm gonna say, I be killing my birds. Make sure ain't no blood, no nothing. And that's exactly how I made my stuff.
No fork. No fork.
I never pick it up. I just picked up my chicken with it.
Nothing. Well, that Kool-Aid beyond me, but that thing good. I'm about to run out. I'm gonna have to get my own Kool-Aid in the refrigerator.
Oh, excuse me.
Don't make no sense. But then down that drink.
You only refilled it 3 times before you left.
Right, I refilled it 3 times before I left the thing on place.
Ooh, Corona.
Coronavirus, coronavirus.
so good. Try one of you. What made you get a Parmesan chicken?
Can you not speak?
What made you get a Parmesan?
Parmesan cheese?
What made you get Parmesan? Out of all the flavors they have, why Parmesan?
Why not?
Mm-hmm.
You don't like it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh.
I was about to. Before I do, I was. Mm-hmm.
You know, the Parmesan just tastes peaceful.
That's exactly
All the
what
other
it tastes
ones
like.
taste harsh.
That's exactly what it tastes like. Cause this right here, that's some like some Justin Bieber, yummy. And this right here was shut the fuck up, good stuff. And this is like
Oh, it's right taste, man.
I clicked on your video. I'm sorry, but not sorry.
It don't matter. Where's my fork at?
I think you probably took it with you.
Nope. I put it right
Oh,
here.
right there. Your brother got it. He gonna help you look for it. Or did I lie on
That
him?
boy gonna steal my fork.
Look, you gotta put some reminder on the video. I think I probably picked it up.
No.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, yeah,
One year
man.
got my fork.
You don't need one.
Can you eat this? You can eat this thing.
Biscuit?
Eat
No,
that
thing.
biscuit.
We'll eat things.
I don't even know what all this is. Really.
Ranch.
That's the ranch. I want the blue cheese.
Oh, this one is
Hey, what's on the
funky.
bottom of that then?
Parmesan. Still. And butter. The grease.
The grease.
That's butter. I don't think that'd be that butter with grease. But it wasn't tasty like, no. Grease. Yeah.
Still on fire. ATL wins. Heck.
It does taste familiar though.
Let's go.
Like when we was a kid, how to make donuts. Make them out some biscuits and dip them in sugar. I was like, we went to the state fair. Oh, yeah. It tastes like good stuff. It was supposed to be a biscuit, but it tastes like a straight up donut. It was that good.
The chicken tastes like a donut?
No, this biscuit.
Oh, I thought that was a chicken.
Bruh. This dude interrupted me while I'm doing a mukbang, bruh.
What is that?
Dude, subscribe to my YouTube channel,
Oh,
like the video.
just picking up the name.
I'm out,
Picking
bruh.
up the name.
This don't make no damn sense.
Hey, breakfast over here. ATL.